Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about entrepreneurial mindset. We are looking at top key traits of a successful entrepreneur. If you have been looking at you want to start a business and you are wondering, personally, as a business coach, as an entrepreneur myself, I have had the opportunity really to meet and engage with entrepreneurs from all walks of life, from all sectors. I have observed, I have examined, I have learned from their experiences, and I have come to appreciate the unique characteristics that you can find in any true and successful entrepreneur. And in this video, I am going to be sharing with you the crucial elements of an entrepreneurial mindset that can help you to take your business to the next levels. Factors that determine success, factors that encompasses unique combination of courage, determination, creativity, and actually vision. So in this video, we will be looking at these key top 5 traits of an entrepreneurial mindset. We'll be talking about entrepreneurs embrace failure. We'll be talking about relentless drive to succeed. We'll be talking about creativity and vision. We'll be talking about overcoming challenges. We'll be looking at the power of persistence. And finally, we'll be talking about fostering a growth mindset. All these top characteristics or traits, you will find them in any successful entrepreneur anywhere on the globe. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe, you are VIP, enable notification so that when we create any content that is important to you, you'll be number one to know. Check the links in the description. We share a lot of relevant resources that can help you grow your business, whether it's marketing, whether it's sales, whether it's entrepreneurship. And we also offer free discovery calls. Check the links in the description. Book a free discovery call and you will be able to grow your business, take your business to the next level. So let's get into the core entrepreneurial traits that we want to talk as our topic for discussion today. Traits number 1, successful entrepreneurs embrace failure. Failure is part of it. One of the most important traits of any successful entrepreneur is that you take failure gracefully. There is no such a thing as failure. You only learn from your mistakes. As an entrepreneur myself, started my first business, resigned from full-time employment in 2012, and I failed over and over again. But one thing that happens is when I fail in any venture or any initiative, what I do is I gather the lessons learned. I don't see any setback as discouragement. I see them as stepping stones to my next level. And instead of dwelling on my mistake, I keep looking and finding ways to move forward from that level. So you want to be a successful entrepreneur, look at your mistakes as stepping stones. If you've had this kind of challenges, tell us in the chat how many times you failed in your business. Tell us in the chat how many times you've woken up and said, oh no, I'm not going to give in to this failure. I'm going to take the next step despite the things that I have seen. Let's get the conversation going and see how we've been dealing with challenges in business. Another thing with entrepreneurs that are successful is the relentless drive to succeed. In fact, no one wakes you up at 2 a.m. You wake up early hours of the morning looking at your business, looking at your strategy. You are determined to succeed at your goals no matter the cost, no matter the obstacles. You are willing to put in the hard work. You are willing to sacrifice. You are willing to reach your goals no matter the cost. So this drive is what propels entrepreneurs. Personally, I wake up mostly 2 a.m. and I'm awake. I don't even use an alarm clock to wake up. And what happens is it's the drive, it's the goals, it's the task that is projects on my hand. Oh, the next book to finish, the next podcast to do, the next course that I want to develop, and everything else. So these things, the drive to succeed, the drive to know that, oh, I can produce a product, I can produce a service, I'm able to meet the needs of someone out there, and if my client is happy, I am happy. That kind of drive that wakes you up at night when everyone else is sleeping. Creativity and vision. You are able to have a unique combination of vision and creativity that can allow you to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Think about it. When COVID-19 first came and people were trying to hide themselves, smart entrepreneurs saw the opportunities, to be involved in the production of PPEs and other kinds of things that were required for COVID. Those in the pharmaceuticals saw the opportunities to begin to deal with how do we come up with the vaccines instead of crying COVID is here. What is the solution? How do we deal with this? So creativity and vision, and constantly seeking for new and innovative solutions to problems. COVID is a case in time that the world had never seen the virus before. There was no treatment. Someone needed to be innovative. Someone needed to be creative. Someone needed to take the risk and say, let's see how to find a solution for this. And once they get it right, what happened? They got the rewards, and government started procuring the vaccines, companies, individuals, and these companies make massive money. So when you understand your creativity and you know that vision is essential for your success, you cultivate this quality and you invest this in yourself and also in your team. The other trait that every successful entrepreneur needs is overcoming challenges. Challenges are a given. You would find challenges from the day you start thinking of your business idea, you start getting the resistance, to the day you write it down on paper, to the day you start approaching stakeholders, investors, funders, partners, market channels, and everything else. You would find even hiring people. So you would find challenges on all fronts. But one of the things is that as an entrepreneur, that you want to be successful, you want to face these challenges head on. You want to say, bring it on. And you would always have your risk management strategy in place. You would always have your way to deal with challenges. And you have the ability to adapt to change, to adapt to circumstances. And you remain focused on your goals. You can change your tools. You can change the way you do things. But you know exactly where you are going to. And you stick to your success path. You stick to where you are going to. That other important trait that every entrepreneur needs is the power of persistence. Tell me about it. Let's get the conversation going. Talk about it in the chat. Persistence. When we look at entrepreneurs like Steve Jobs and others that started companies in the late 70s, early 80s, and they were having no success at this, they even abandoned businesses, went back to work, came back. What kind of failure and challenges did they not see? But did they give up on their dreams? No, never give up on your dream. Never give up on your business. Never give up on your goal, on your vision, because when you have this power of persistence in you, you will keep learning and improving, and you will understand that success is not a destination. Success is not a destination. It is a journey. You will have to continue to improve yourself, repackage your product, repackage your services, and see what the market accepts, see what the market rejects. Go back to the drawing board when necessary and keep going forward. You keep marching forward. When you go and you see roadblocks, you don't give up. That is the power of persistence. Let's get on to our businesses with this in mind, that we say, one thing, we will not give up. We rather die on the path of success than giving up because of one or two roadblocks. And with this, you develop, you grow, and you improve yourself, you improve your business, you improve your services, and you keep marching forward with your business. So let's get to rounding up this session, this video on entrepreneurial traits, we talked about an entrepreneurial mindset is very, very crucial. It's the most important factor that will determine your success as an entrepreneur. So you need to be able to embrace failure. You need to have the relentless drive to succeed. You need to be able to possess a unique combination of creativity and vision. You need to have a growth fostering mindset. You need to be able to have a mindset of persistence, and a combination of these top traits will help you to grow your business from vision to delivery and success, and not just success, sustainability that you can pass on to the next generation. Let's keep the conversation going. If you need any help in any area of entrepreneurship, check the links in the description, get some resources, reach out to us. If you want to join our masterclass on entrepreneurship, our classes on business, on marketing, on any part, look at the links in the description and join our learning community just for very little contribution, and some of our learning programs are free. So we look forward to having you. If you have any questions, get onto the chat. But thank you for being part of the channel today, and we will see you in the next video.